In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add a checklist to a card using Trello automation. Trello is an incredible tool for organizing projects, keeping track of tasks, and ensuring that everyone on your team is on the same page. By using automation, you can streamline your workflow, saving you and your team precious time and effort. So, let's dive right in and set up an automation that will add a checklist to any new card automatically. To get started, navigate to Trello, where you need to find the lightning icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to setting up automations, which are sometimes simply referred to as power-ups in Trello. Once you've clicked on the lightning icon, a menu will open up. Within this menu, select Rules. Now, at the heart of this task is the need to create a new automation rule. Once you're within the Rules section, go ahead and click on Create Automation. This is where the magic happens, and where you start building out the specifics of what you want Trello to do automatically. Given that our goal is to add a checklist to every new card, our journey begins with setting a trigger. The trigger is what starts the automation process. In this case, the trigger should be when a card is added. By selecting this trigger, you're instructing Trello to initiate the automation anytime a new card enters the game. You can even set specific parameters for this trigger, such as specifying which list the card is added to or who added it. These parameters help to fine-tune your automation so that it only runs under the circumstances you define. Once your trigger is set, the next step is to move on to the actions that you want Trello to take when the trigger occurs. This involves telling Trello to add a checklist to the card that was just created. In the menu of actions, look for and select Add Checklist to the card. This selection is the heart of our automation setup, enabling each new card to have a checklist without you lifting a finger. After choosing this action, make sure to click Save, located at the top right of your screen, to ensure all your settings are locked in. And just like that, you have your automation up and ready. From now on, every new card added to your Trello board will automatically include a checklist. This small change can significantly enhance your productivity, leaving you more time to focus on the tasks that truly need your attention. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made your Trello experience even better. Enjoy the seamless efficiency of automation.